Did you know that law enforcement officers often overcharge simple drug possession charges with the more serious charge of possession with the intent to sell or deliver? I'm Patrick Apple, a criminal defense attorney with Dummit Fradin. Possession with the intent to sell or deliver, also known as PWISD, is an aggravated possession charge punished at higher levels. Possession with the intent to sell or deliver charges are often used by law enforcement to put pressure on a defendant to accept a plea deal to the lesser included offense of possession of the controlled substance. Defendants are often pressured into taking these deals because they're scared to go to trial and risk being convicted of the harsher PWISD charges. All possession with the intent to sell or deliver charges are punished as felonies. To be charged with possession with intent to sell or deliver requires something slightly more than simple possession. It requires some piece of evidence that would indicate your intent to sell or deliver drugs. The state will attempt to show this intent to sell or deliver by looking at any other piece of evidence located near the drugs. This could be individual bags, it could be a set of scales, it can even be cash located near the drugs. The state will use these pieces of drug paraphernalia as evidence of your intent to sell or distribute the controlled substances. Even if the state can't introduce any evidence, that other piece of evidence showing your intent, whether it's the scales or the baggies, if none of that exists, the state can still show possession with intent to sell or deliver based on the quantity of drugs alone. You do not have to be caught in the act or observed selling or delivering drugs to be charged with possession with intent to sell and deliver. Law enforcement officers can infer your intent based on the facts of your case and the circumstances surrounding your arrest and the discovery of the drugs. The key element of a PWISD charge is intent. The state must prove intent. Intent is often difficult to prove from the direct evidence. Defending against a possession with intent to sell or deliver charge takes an experienced criminal defense attorney who is not afraid to hold the state's feet to the fire to make them prove intent, identity, and possession beyond a reasonable doubt. Contact Dummit Fradin today. We have experience fighting these cases.